Hey there guys, I'm Cody Mayo, and this is Cigar TV. And on today's episode of Cigar TV, we are doing another Diesel Sideshow cigar. This one is the Nightingale. So, the Nightingale cigar right here. It's pretty nice looking. It's a barber pole style, torpedo, both ends. I don't know if there's a technical term for that, but if you know, please let me know. I would like to know that myself because I see them all the time, but at the same time, all I do is I just call them torpedoes. So yeah. Okay, so like usual, you have this band right here, gold string with the name of the cigar on it right there. And this cigar is actually a barber pole style, so you got your natural wrapper and then like a darker, almost like Maduro kind of wrapper. And it's pretty tasty too. The burn on it's actually really good. Not too bad right there. So I cut one end of the cigar and then I lit it from the other side, and I just kind of lit it and let it burn through the cigar itself to get it lit. It was a little stiff at first, but once it opened up, it actually got a whole lot easier to draw the smoke through the cigar itself. So yeah. So let's dive into the flavors of the cigar and see what we get. Okay, so right off, I'm getting a bitter taste, and it's more of like a, have you ever took cocoa powder and just ate it in its raw state like that? You kind of get that bitter taste to it. That's kind of what it's like. It's like a bitter cocoa-like taste, cocoa powder taste. There's like a slight nuttiness to it, and if I'm not mistaken, I think there might be like a creamy taste to it, but I'm gonna have to confirm that real fast. I think there's like a creaminess to it as well, and there's also like a almost like a slight coffee taste. I'm not too sure. It's nothing that would deter me from enjoying the cigar, although I'm not a big coffee drinker. In fact, I really don't like drinking coffee at all. This isn't too bad. And it's more like of a very, very light, I guess, coffee, latte coffee. I'm not too sure, to be honest. But yeah. So, like on the other ones, you got long filter on the inside. It's made by the brand Diesel. So yeah, this one, it's interesting. I don't know exactly where they get the name for the cigar, but I do know a little bit about the name. So the Nightingale is actually a bird from Europe. It's a brown bird, and the most known for their singing capabilities, which is something pretty interesting. I was looking that up because I was wondering what the name could have meant or what it could have been. It's a European bird. So yeah, a little bit of side knowledge there, I guess you could call it. So yeah, not too bad. I'm gonna say that this is probably going to be like an hour smoke for sure. You can tell very dark ashes going into very light ashes. It burning real evenly. I'd say this is more full than medium. I wouldn't call it completely full, but it has those flavors for a full body cigar. Yeah. So it comes in this fancy box right here that I've shown so far in the other videos, but I'm gonna show it again just to show it off. So this awesome diesel Sideshow box. And the cigars inside. And of course the empty spaces of the ones that we have yet to cover. But we will. Oh yes, we will. That whole box right there, it costs about $75, $74. And yeah, you can get it from Cigar International actually. Yeah, that's where I got it from. And yeah, I haven't had a bad cigar out of it yet. So yeah, if you like what you saw in this video and would like to see more videos like this one, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell if you have not already, so you can stay up to date with all my videos. If you're willing to, please give me a thumbs up as well. Also, if you have any future suggestions for cigar brands, tips, tricks, gadgets, leave that down in the comments as well, and I would try my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Also, if you would like to see what I do in my day-to-day personal life, or get some behind-the-scenes action on of what I do behind the scenes before I make one of these videos, go and follow me on Instagram. That's CigarTV91 on Instagram. And until next time, guys, stay safe out there and stay smoky. Oh yeah, and one more thing. If you're watching this video, stay tuned for tomorrow's video because I have a surprise that I hope y'all will enjoy, but I will enjoy mainly myself, but I hope y'all will enjoy it as well. So, like I said before, till next time guys, stay safe and stay smoky.